Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about INDIABULLS real estate. Today only it has given a good breakout and it has sustained and given a closing of 191. So let's talk about INDIABULL real estate with a market capital of 85.70 billion. Recently we have seen the quarter 2 result which gave a good profit of 5.65 crore, and the company sales also rose to rupees 874 crore compared to the last year 368 crore. Now the latest news about the IB real estate is its merger between Embassy Group and INDIABULL Real Estate, which has entered at the final lap. So once the Embassy Group and IB Real Estate merger is done, the combined entity will be renamed as Embassy Development Limited. Okay, now on 25th of Feb, we have seen the news. INDIABULLS Real Estate Embassy Group aim to complete merger by December end. So this December end, it means like just 1 month to go for the completion of the merger. The merger that will create one of the India's largest listed property development platform. This has received a nod from Competition Commission of India, that is CCI, and they do have received a regulatory approval from SEBI. Okay, so Embassy Group already having 14% of stake in IB Real Estate. Now, after the merger, it will be having 45% of stake in the IB Real Estate. And along with that, this is going to make a country's largest real estate company and biggest land bank owner. Now, when it comes to the merger of both the entity, they are going to get a diversification to the listed company shareholder through balanced mix of residential and commercial development. So they are getting so much booking in the sales rate, as well as they do have a renting properties also, rented lands also, where they get their revenues, and their liquidity is 4,220 crores. So looking at the highest quarterly sales figure in the last quarter, that is 995 90.5 crore, which they are led by its luxury project including INDIABULLS Blue Estate and Club Residential Towers in Varali. So there are so many things which are happening with IB Real Estate, and once the merger is done, they are going to get benefited, and their market growth and revenue will see good result in the next quarter also. So let's have a look at the Nifty reality. Now, when we are looking at the Nifty reality from the May month, we continuously seeing this as a uptrend. We don't see any downtrend or any reversal, so the chart looks good, and from here also we can see it can go further upward. Now let's look at the IB real estate. When First we'll have a look at the daily chart. Okay, so on the daily chart we see this is the resistance trend line and this is the support trend line, and the stock suppose is moving between this trend line. So it's going up, takes support from the support trend line, and again it bounces back and goes further up. So this is a channel, and this both trend lines, it's working perfectly for the stock. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, if you have a look, you can see this is making a kind of a rounding bottom over here. So if supposed to complete a rounding bottom pattern, it has to reach over here. Okay, so looking at these things, what will be our support and what are our target? Now if you have seen over here, this is making a kind of support over here which is of 174. So we do have a support of 174, and it's going towards a target of 200. The next target is 225, and the third target is 250. So if you have already invested in this stock, I would suggest to stay for a long term basis. Even though you will see any dips over here, this stock is going to take the support from the support trend line, and again it will bounce back. So if you are invested, stay invested. And if you want to invest in the stock, whenever you see any dip around 175 to 180, you should buy this on a dip and continue rally towards 250. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.